Thanks for joining us today. We're going to talk about new homeowner safety tips. So I have my colleague Valerie Stephan with me. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. So if you have maybe a client who's a first time homeowner, or maybe they haven't bought a house in 20 years or so, sometimes we need a little refresher on what to do when we're moving into a new place. Well, we've got 6 helpful tips to make sure that their home is as safe as possible when they move in.
First off, change the locks. It may seem obvious, but in the busyness of a move, it's easy to forget to change all the locks in your new home. While the previous owner, of course, is going to hand you some keys at the closing table, you can't guarantee that they didn't give their keys to a friend or maybe a relative, or even your neighbors for emergencies. It's always just a best practice then to change the locks so you know exactly who has access to your new home. And while you're at it, pro tip, I suggest keying them all to the same key. It can really save a lot of time.
Absolutely. And so, number two, we have install security cameras or maybe just an outside light sensor. So, home security cameras, those outdoor lighting that turn on when something moves, that can be really helpful just to keep an eye on surrounding areas from your house and pretty good deterrent for potential burglars.
Number three is to hide your valuables, which again sounds pretty common sense, but when you're moving in, you may be updating, say, the blinds or the curtains. So just make sure that you don't leave large, valuable items like electronics outside or near open windows for anyone to see, and come back when you're not at home.
Exactly. And number four would be maintaining the outside of your home. So it might seem, again, pretty simple, but overgrown bushes and landscaping can make it seem like no one's at home or that maybe you've been out of town for a long time. So remember to take the time to trim your bushes and ensure that the landscaping around your home is pretty low and well kept.
Also, take the time to meet your neighbors. Get to know who you can expect to see around the neighborhood, and it makes it easier to realize when somebody who maybe is not part of the neighborhood is there and perhaps seems suspicious. Even with the current climate, you can always still wave and say hello. This can also give you a group of people who can look out for you and your home as well.
And the last tip is never hide a key. That fake rock or plant at the top of your stoop isn't fooling anyone. So give a spare key to your neighbor or someone close by so that you aren't inviting any unwanted visitors into your new home. We certainly hope everyone stays safe in their current and new homes. Thanks for watching. If you found this content useful, give us a like or share it on social media just to let us know that you want more content like this. You can share it with your team, your friends, or on social media. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a video. If you subscribe, make sure to hit that little bell and you'll be notified when we have new content uploaded. Thanks for watching.